This is the ah sound that I apparently forgot when I was going through my vowels the first time. It's the same ah as in bot. So bot, phonetically, you would write like this, with the ah sound in the middle. Any questions? Okay, good. Now, our next set is another pair of vowels that people struggle with. Your sounds. Again, with the stress. The first one is unstressed, and the second one is stressed. Now, a perfect example to illustrate these words is the word murder. Because again, like above, it incorporates both types of vowels. First of all, let's separate this one again. Murder, murder, murder. You have two syllables. Now, which one do you say? Do you say murder or murder? I don't think anyone says murder. Excuse me. So your stress is in the first syllable, murder. Now, because that is the case, anything in this syllable will be stressed. And since we have an unstressed and a stressed then you know your stressed is going to go there and your unstressed is going to go here. So all you have to do is add your M and your D. And there is murder. Okay. Now, one of the simpler ones, to give you your brain a little bit of a break, is the O, which all it does is make the O sound, as in boat. Except phonetically, you would write boat like that. I think I got them all. Did I get them all? Next is another letter that people struggle with a little bit. It's the aw sound, as in the word law. You would write law phonetically simply like that. It's simply a backward C. Anytime you hear the aw sound, you're going to have a backward C. Yes, random guinea pig.
Why would you write it that way? It looks kind of weird.
I know it looks weird, but it's a symbol and not a letter, and you're not used to these symbols.
Oh.
Now we're going to move on to diphthongs. Your first one, and the most common one, is the I sound. And typical in the South, nice white rice doesn't fly in speech 340 class. So make sure you're incorporating both parts of this diphthong to properly form the I sound. Like I said, in the word nice. Phonetically, you would write nice. Nice. Our next diphthong is the ow sound, as in the word how. Phonetically, you would write this how. And finally, the next diphthong is the oi sound, as in toy. I like toys. Phonetically, we would write this simply toy.